Here are a couple of things that we can do to be less wasteful. Number one, stop over-consuming. You do not need a 10-step skincare routine. Declutter your items, go through all of them, give them to friends or family members so they don't get wasted. Number two, try buying only reusable items. That means stop buying things that require you to repurchase them frequently. That way, you do not only save money, but you also help our environment. Number three, minimize your screen time and stop using AI. Both use up an immense amount of water. For example, ChatGPT uses 39 million gallons of water daily. If you refuse to stop using AI, switch to the eco-friendly version. EcoGPT is a more sustainable alternative and it basically works the same as ChatGPT, only it uses 10% as many resources. It also plants trees every 100 prompts, so it also does something for our environment. So if you care about our planet Earth, you should start doing these things immediately.